Hello, class. Today we are going to read the fable, The Ants and the Grasshopper. You may have heard this fable before. We're going to read it again and remember to keep in mind the moral or the lesson that you can learn from the story. The Ants and the Grasshopper. One bright day in late autumn, a family of ants were bustling about in the warm sunshine, drying out the grain they had stored up during the summer, when a starving grasshopper, his fiddle under his arm, came up and humbly begged for a bite to eat. "What?" cried the ants in surprise. "Haven't you stored anything away for the winter? What in the world were you doing all last summer?" "I didn't have time to store up any food," whined the grasshopper. "I was so busy making music that before I knew it, the summer was gone." The ants shrugged their shoulders in disgust. "Making music, were you?" they cried. "Very well, now dance." And they turned their backs on the grasshopper and went on with their work. All right, I want you to stop and think, what is the lesson you could have learned from this story? And now I want you to go back to your Google Slides and I want you to write about the beginning, the middle, the end, and the central message or the lesson that you learned. Talk to you later.